Welcome to Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm doing something fun with Kim at Creative Crafticality. We're doing a Dollar Tree junk journal supply swap. So she sent me this box of items and I sent her a box of items. So today, April 1st, she and I are doing our unboxing videos to see what supplies we sent each other. And then the next week on April 8th, we're going to do a video making our journals. On the following Saturday, the 15th, we're going to do a video on making embellishments for the journals we made. And on the 22nd, we'll do a final flip through of the completed junk journals with the embellishments and everything. So I'm super excited to be doing this collaboration with Kim. Her channel is Creative Crafticality. You can see what I sent to her by going to her channel. But let's get into this box and see what she sent me to work with. We had said that we would send each other 20 items from the Dollar Tree, and then we could send some extra items from our stash. So let's just see here what she sent my way. This is going to be a lot of fun and an interesting challenge for sure. There's some pretty lavender tissue here. Oh, wow. Hello, Emilee. Happy spring. I'm so excited to swap and collab with you. This will be so much fun. Hope you're having a great spring so far. Is it spring yet? Can't wait to see what you send me. God bless, Kim. What a cute little bunny rabbit note. May have to try to incorporate him. Oh, wow. How much fun, Kim. Oh, she sent me some of their vinyl paper. You know, I've never used this before. This will be really cool. And you know that this yarn is going to get repurposed. It's really a soft, pretty variegated yarn. Won't that be wonderful? Maybe I can even, I don't know, put it on tags or bind the journal with it. We'll see. This is so pretty. I haven't seen that at my Dollar Tree. Let's see here. Oh my, what beautiful ribbons she picked out for me to use. Pink gingham, a really cute rickrack, and look at this teal with flowers. I love those. Beautiful yarn. I absolutely adore Dollar Tree sequins. The presentation here is beautiful, Kim. Look at those pretty purples and pinks. She included some doilies. Those are beautiful. Ooh, some pretty spring flowers. A trim pack. Look at the ducklings. And more rickrack. Really, really cute. My goodness. Let's see what this is. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. There's some hair clips. Won't those be fun? And another pretty pink doily. Oh, look at the birthday card. It's a vintage birthday card. It was sent to a Sunday school teacher in 1975 and signed by her class. This image is going to be absolutely wonderful to work with. This is a really pretty bag. Oh, I love to alter playing cards, and these are absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Absolutely amazing. And some pocket cards. Aren't these just charming? Best day ever. Oh, happy day. Love never ends. Lovely day. Home is where the heart is. Wow. I'm going to have so many things and options that I can make here. a very pretty paint, what do you call that? A paint swatch. And she sent some napkins. These are beautiful. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow. It's wrapping paper. Isn't that perfect for a spring journal? I could cut out butterflies or I could create pages. Oh, I love that, Kim. A really cool paper bag with beautiful butterflies. Another beautiful paper bag. Wow, this is gonna be so much fun. Oh my, I feel like I'm been spoiled, Kim. You're so creative in your packaging. Some beautiful doilies. No doubt I'll be incorporating all the beautiful doilies. Wildflower blend, bird and butterfly, easy to plant. Oh, isn't that cool? Index cards. You may or may not have gotten some of these from me, Kim. And I love the note cards. Those are just gorgeous. Keep unwrapping. Wow. What's this? Oh my goodness, it's inks. Oh, look at that beautiful palette of inks. I love it. Teal, purple, and pink. That's going to be a lot of fun to use, Kim. Thank you. Wow. Oh my. What is, oh my goodness. A beautiful mint doily. What is, oh wow, she's given me a whole bag of ephemera or ribbons. Let's see. Oh, this is, oh my goodness, this is amazing. Oh, I dropped some. Look at the little wooden flowers. And there's some tiny, tiny buttons. And oh wow, some more wood flowers. A little butterfly button. Flowers. Oh wow. Ooh, look at that butterfly. Isn't he cool? Some embroidered flowers. I just noticed I've been coloring today and oh well, the life of a crafter, right? Wow, she has really included some beautiful fibers and ribbons. These are going to be just gorgeous. And she's wrapped some of this beautiful floral lace onto a cork. That was clever. Very clever. Super cute bag. What's this? A photo album. Oh, that's cool. Hello, spring. I like that. Plenty of fibers. Wow. I need to do some research on ideas for using yarns because that is gorgeous yarn. Oh my gosh, Kim. These are buttons. She sent me the letters for spring and some really pretty buttons. I could make like a charm and probably a tassel with some of this yarn. Won't that be beautiful? I love it. Okay, let's see what this is. This is like Christmas. Oh, what a great idea. It's a placemat. Isn't it beautiful? That's gorgeous. Maybe that'll be the cover. Okay. Oh my word. Oh, cool. It's a gift bag. Let's see what else. Oh, she's put papers in here. Oh, Kim, that's fascinating. You'll have to tell me how you did this. It looks like she's used some sort of an ink on white tissue, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And then there's a gift bag here. That would also make a nice cover for a journal, wouldn't it? I have so many options here. And then, wow, that is gorgeous. Spring. Oh my goodness, look at the bunnies. Wow, Kim, thank you. That's amazing. I've never seen anything like this tissue. Just gorgeous. Couple more things here. I can't even begin to tell you how soft this yarn is. It's an experience in and of itself. Oh wow, Kim. Oh wow. Spring is in the air. A bingo card. Oh wow, look at that color. She sent some book page with flowers. Oh, look at this vintage card. I absolutely love that image. This, wow. This is going to be an inspiration piece for sure. Beautiful stamps. A pattern. I love that. These girls are adorable. Book page. Book page of beautiful mums in a house. Removal tile decal. How interesting. That'll be fun to experiment with. And bottle decor. Oh, a coloring book. I love to incorporate coloring pages in my journals. And more papers. Wow, Kim, you are amazing. What an amazing package of supplies for this swap. Oh, this just makes my day. This image. That's amazing. So sweet and cute. This is really cute too, and I love the mushrooms. And I have to really do some thinking on my theme here. There are a lot of options, and beautiful calendar with lots of beautiful photos, and a smaller calendar with butterflies. Let's open up and see. Oh, they're so striking. Those images are going to be so much fun to incorporate. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Now I have to see the blossoms too. Wow, these are gorgeous too, Kim. Absolutely. This is my favorite flower, hibiscus. But I'm thinking of the stamp set here and how much fun it would be to stamp off the bees and have them flit around pages of the journal. This is going to be so much fun. I need to just sit with these supplies for a few days so that I can think through a theme for a journal and how I want to put the journal together, what kind of binding, what kind of cover to make. While I'm pulling these things back together to kind of show you guys, Kim's channel is Creative Crafticality. I will link to her down in the description. Go over there and see what I sent her. to make her journal with. And then come back next week. We're going to make our journals next week in our videos. And then the following week on the 15th, we will make our embellishments. And then on the 22nd, we will do a flip through of our completed journals. I'm absolutely over the moon with this package, Kim. Thank you so much. And thanks everyone. Happy paper crafting to you.